Hey everyone, Eddie from the shop. Today is a quick short on why you change your engine oil, why it is so important. Look at this disaster. This is what happens when you go over the recommended service interval on your oil changes, or when you use cheap oil. Customer complains of noisy engine. I asked them when the last time they had their oil changed, and they couldn't tell me. So, this is what you get. Make sure you change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. If it's conventional, every 3. If it's synthetic, I stick with every 5 max. Otherwise, you're going to end up with this. And trust me, this is not something that's easily repaired. I'm not going to even attempt to repair this. We could flush this thing 1,000,000 times, and the best thing we would probably get is an engine knock out of it. So, that's what you get when you don't take care of your vehicles. Like, share, subscribe, comment, follow. I will catch you on the next one.